There is some error correction built into it, but it's got to be.
It's gotta be
There
pretty
are
sharp.
definite tolerances to it. It can't be too small. It can't be too dense. There are some definite restrictions to it. Um, if you make it too small, it won't scan. If it's the right size but it's too dense, or in other words, it has too much information in it, too many pixels in it, it doesn't scan as easily. We've done over the past year, as we've gotten more and more involved in QR codes, and more specifically as we've gotten involved with ConnectMe QR, we've done a lot of testing on anything that comes through the door with a QR code. People bring in stuff that they get in the mail. I've gotten newspaper clippings laid on my desk. People take pictures of signs. First thing I'll do is scan it. How does it work? Number one. What does it look like? Yeah, is it too dense? Is it too small? I've been surprised by some that have scanned. But part of our collaboration and our partnership in this was working with Top Floor and ConnectMe QR on, okay, we know the computer and the digital end of this very well. You know the printing side of it. How do we make this work? What are the specs that I have to provide you so that we can flow seamlessly from the web experience of signing up, getting your QR code, and then flowing that to the real world where it actually matters. QR codes are great to see on a screen, and they're a digital format, but you've got to have it on paper and it's got to be able to work. And I have scanned a lot of codes that either didn't scan well, didn't scan in every app. I've got personally about 6 or 7 different QR code scanners on my iPhone that I test anytime I do a QR code for a customer here. Anytime something comes in the door to me with a QR code on it, I test it. How does it work? And how does what we're producing as a print producer, as a producer of QR codes, and as a partner to ConnectMe QR, how does it compare to the product that we're producing? So there are specifications and regulations and best practice for it, and we've worked really hard with ConnectMe QR to nail those down and make sure that the process that we're putting in place is going to be sustainable and reproducible going forward with it.